communication skills, learn independence, and explore new opportunities that might not be available at home.
Wow, that's Ammar.
Still, in your own country, you understand.
No, but my point is.
Stop! Let me finish. Sagar bhaiya, she is interfering.
No, Afifa. No, you are really wrong. Only.
Sagar bhaiya, she doesn't know anything, just being blah blah blah.
Sagar bhaiya, he's judging freshness.
Let me stop the recording. We learned that studying abroad gives exposure and opportunities and international experience, while studying in your own country gives affordability, stability, and cultural closeness. So both paths can lead to success depending on one's choice.
It means my opinion was right.
Your opinion was not even logical.
Okay. We have already done. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are presenting one more debate. We have already uploaded 2 debates before. This is our 3rd episode. So this is your host Sagar Khan, and these kids need no introduction. You know them very well. This side is Ammar Khan, who is in favor of studying in our own country, and this side is Afifa Jannat, who is in favor of studying abroad. So let's start from Afifa.
I think studying abroad is better because you get international exposure, world-class education, and the chance to learn new cultures.
But studying in your own country is more affordable. You stay close to your family and you can contribute directly to your nation's development.
Wow.
That may be true, but abroad you can build a global network and increase your career opportunities worldwide.
Wow, that's lovely. Ammar.
Still, in your own country, you understand.
But my point is.
Stop! Let me finish. Sagar bhaiya, she is interfering.
No, Afifa. No, you are really wrong. First of all, let him finish. Then you can speak whatever you want to speak, okay?
Yes, but in your own country, you understand the local system better and can easily find jobs after completing your studies.
Also, by studying abroad, you improve your communication skills, learn independence, and explore new opportunities that might not be available at home.
Wow, that's lovely.
Still, studying in your own country keeps you connected with your roots, your cultures, and you don't face homesickness or high expenses.
That's lovely.
Sagar bhaiya, what's your opinion?
I think both have advantages. Studying abroad gives global exposure and confidence, while studying in your own country gives affordability, comfort, and cultural connection. It really depends on personal goals and financial condition. So Ammar and Afifa, both of you have done really great. We learned that studying abroad gives exposure and opportunities and international experience, while studying in your own country gives affordability, stability, and cultural closeness. So both paths can lead to success depending on one's choice. So would you like to say something?
It means my opinion was right.
Your opinion was not even logical.
Okay. We have already done. This debate has been completed by you guys, so you don't need to fight. Okay, that's enough. So let me talk to my viewers. Which one you are in favor of? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video fruitful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, follow me for more.
See you in the next video.